Today I'm going to show you a cheap, simple, and easy wood project that you can make with things laying around in your shop. Without further ado, let's get started. And all we're going to be using for this project is just a little piece of scrap wood. And I'll be using black walnut. Then find a 1.5 inch circle and scribe a line on the piece of wood. Then you can add a little handle. With either a bandsaw or a jigsaw, you can cut to those lines. I thought this was black walnut, but looking at it closer, it kind of looks like red oak. I don't know. Now we can sand the edges over and smooth it all out. Where's that Forstner bit? Alright, now try to find a 1 inch Forstner bit. I couldn't find one, so I'm gonna have to use a 1 inch paddle bit. But we're gonna drill down about 1/4 inch right here in the spoon part. To my surprise, it didn't go through, so that's a plus. Alright, now you're going to go on Amazon and buy a set of bottle cap openers for about $8. They're really cheap, but I don't feel like waiting, so I'm just going to build them by myself. I'm just going to take a washer and cut a little opening. It'll look something like that. So now I just got to cut that out. Now I'll be using a mix of a hacksaw and a file. I'll take off my hacksaw blade, put it through it. Not gonna lie, I spent about 30 minutes filing and cutting into this washer. But later in the video, I show you a much simpler way to do this. So wait until then. Well, it's not pretty, but I think it'll work. We'll just give it a little polish. Not the best, and definitely could be better. Now to fasten it, we'll drill a hole right here and here for screws. Now I'm gonna drill into this hole just a little bit with a larger drill bit to make the screw. And there we go, nice little bottle opener. Now would I suggest making these inserts by yourself? No, it was not worth it. I have another idea how to use these bottle openers, so let me show you how to do that. I'll grab a piece of scrap wood, then get a Forstner bit the same size of a washer and drill into the wood about 1/8 of an inch. And this allows me to comfortably hold the washer while I sand it down. Now that it's polished, we can go in and punch 2 holes on either side of the washer. And we'll drill all the way through with a 3/8 inch bit. What was that? And we'll make sure to connect the 3 circles. Then we'll file the corners down. And it should look like this. That looks way better than the first one, and it took probably a quarter of the time. And now here's where the fun part comes in. Now I got this silver screw, and I'm gonna cut it about right here. Please leave tips below, because I really need them. Now I need to bend it this way a little bit. Doesn't look too shabby if I say so myself. All right, now I'm gonna take this deer antler and insert it right here. That smells horrible. That is literally the worst smell I've ever smelled in my life. Well, no need for finish on this one. Well guys, I really enjoyed these two projects. Both of them are super simple to make. I'm gonna be giving this one to my dad for his birthday. Don't tell him. But I can see these being the best seller of the year. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you guys see my woodworking playlist, I'll put that right here. If you wanna see my best selling woodworking project, click right here. If you wanna subscribe, click right over here. Thanks for watching, and God bless.